Hello dear friends, welcome in today's lesson. So remember in the previous lesson we learned how to write C++ program to print this letter N, right? So but in this one we are going to learn how to write C++ program to print this letter Z, right? This one. So what you need to do is to keep watching this video until the end and to make subscribe for this channel, like this video and share it to your colleagues. So without spending much more time, let us start. Yeah, to write this program, it's like others we are going to use for loop and if selection statement, right? Let us start with row for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, then I increment, right? To mean I is incrementing from 1 to 5, right? Let us zoom in. And also here for int j, which is equal to 1 also, j must be less than or equal to 5, then also j must be increment. Yeah, now after this we are going to set a condition and consider to this our letter Z, right? So as you see, this is row number 1 and this is row number 5, right? And as you see, this line is where I plus j greater or equal to 6, because this one, as you see, is row number 1, column number 5. Once I will make sum, in that case we will get 6, and any position you can get here, you will get, you can take here, you will get a value which is greater or equal to 6. For example, this one, this is row number 2, column number 4. In this case also you will get a 6. To mean here is just a row plus column is equal to 6, right? Because this is the position is 3 also is 6. This one is 4 2 also 6, and this one is row number 5, column number 1, which is also 6. So to mean we have around 3 conditions, right? First one is this one, if I is equal to 1, this is the first condition. Then I is equal to 5, second condition, and third one is where I plus j is equal to 6, as we have seen, right? So in this case we display star, south star, this symbol, this one. And then if this condition is false, we display empty or space, this one. Then after finished, we need also to create a new line once this inside loop finished, this one, right? So that's why here we need to print out end line like this. So let us make compilation of this program to check whether there is some errors or not. You see here there is error for operator. We need to use 2 equal signs, right? Let us make a compilation again. Yeah, you see now there is no other error. Let us run our program to check an output. Yeah, right? You see this one, our Z is this one, as you see on your screen, right? This is our output of this pattern program to print out the letter Z. So thank you for watching this video. Please let me remind you to make subscribe, to like this video and make share to your colleagues so that they can also get full access to our amazing lessons. So let me see you in next lesson.